meron itong mga ganitong klaseng funds, right? Yung AIA Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund na ini-invest to sa globally, no? So our investment management team is in Singapore, and then they invest in dollars, they buy US stocks and all over the global economy na peso lang yung pinapasok mo. So hindi mo na kailangang magpa-exchange rate from peso to dollars. Alright, you just invest with AIA, minimum 125,000 lang one time, and then pwede na mag-grow yung pera mo, no? So pwede mo masabayan yung Philippine stock market, pwede mo rin masabayan yung markets all over the world. Alright, so I think perfect timing ngayon na mag-start na ulit to jump. In fact, dapat dati pa, no? Pero kung nahuli ka na, kung hindi ka pa nag-invest in 2020 or 2021, kung kailan bumagsak yung market, ngayong medyo tulog pa or parang pagising pa lang, dapat sumakay ka na sa mga investments. Start managing